In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change view mode on Reddit. If you want Reddit to feel a little cleaner, easier to scan, or more visual. Changing the way posts are displayed can make a big difference. Reddit gives you different layout options, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find that setting and how to switch it. To begin, go to your Reddit home dashboard. This is the main page you see after signing in, where your feed and recommendations normally appear. Starting from the home dashboard makes it easier to access your account options quickly since everything you need is just a few clicks away. Once you're on the Reddit homepage, move to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile. This will open the account menu where Reddit keeps several personal settings and account tools. If you don't immediately spot it, look for your avatar or profile icon in that area. After the menu opens, click on Settings. This is where Reddit stores the controls for how your account behaves and how the platform looks while you're using it. Opening the settings area is the key step, because view mode is managed from your personal preferences rather than directly from the feed itself. Inside Settings, click the Preferences tab. This section contains display and usability options that affect your everyday browsing experience. It's a good place to know about in general, especially if you ever want to customize other parts of Reddit later on. Now, look for the option labeled Default Feed View and click it. This setting controls the layout style Reddit uses when showing posts in your feed. Depending on the version of Reddit you're using, it may already show a current selection, which helps you confirm what mode is active before making a change. From there, pick your preferred layout mode to update how posts display. You'll typically see options like card or compact. Card view gives each post more space and makes images and previews easier to see, which is helpful if you prefer a more visual browsing experience. Compact view fits more posts on the screen at once, so it's great if you want to scroll faster and scan through content more efficiently. Once you select the mode you want, the change should apply right away. You can head back to your feed and see how it looks in real time. If it doesn't feel quite right, you can always return to the same setting and switch again. That's all it takes to change view mode on Reddit and make your feed better match the way you like to browse.